What is that sounds, Lily?
What?
Listen. Do you hear the rhythm?
Oh, yeah. It's from my sister room. She's practicing her homework.
What instrument her playing?
Is a piano.
Do you also know how to play the piano?
Yes, I do. My mom is a pianist.
That's great. What kind of instrument is this?
It's a trumpet.
Do you also play this one?
No, it's my sister's.
Wow. She is brilliant.
Yes, she is very good at music and rhythm.
Does she want to become a musician?
Absolutely. She's a student at the music and art school.
How can I help you?
Hi, I'm looking for a Father's Day gift.
I see. Do you have any suggestions?
I'm not sure. Can you give me some recommendations, please? My dad is a homeboy.
Sure. Recently, these are the best sellers in my store. Cigars, watches, and wallets.
Does this watch come black?
We have it both in all black and white.
Could I take a look at the all-black one?
Sure. You can try it on your wrist.
Oh, it looks perfect. Can you wrap it for me?
Sure. Do you want to choose a card for your dad?
Yeah, I will write on it. Then you can put it in the box.
Okay.
Hey, it's so hot today.
Yeah, there is no wind.
I hate this weather. How do you feel?
I feel hot and tired. I'm thirsty as well.
Would you like to get something to drink? I'm going to go to the store to buy something.
That's perfect.
What would you like?
An ice cream.
It would make you any less thirsty.
In that case, I'll have some orange juice then.
Sure.
And what about you? How do you feel?
I'm hungry. That's the reason why I want to go to the store.
What do you want?
I want to buy some noodles and sausages. Hey, did you check this file carefully?
Yeah, I reviewed it twice. There is no mistake that I can see. I think.
Look at this picture.
What is the problem?
You need to add a trademark to it.
What is a trademark?
A trademark is a recognizable sign, phrase, or symbol.
Why should we use it?
We should use it to denote a product or service.
Should I add our logo to it?
Absolutely.
Okay, I will fix it and then submit it to you by tomorrow.
Okay. If you need any help, you can ask me.
Sure. Hello.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I would like to order some food, please.
Sure. Do you have our restaurant's menu there?
Yeah, I've looked at it.
Perfect. What dishes do you want to order?
I would like to have a taco with double cheese.
Taco with double cheese. Okay, anything else?
A chicken soup without pepper.
Oh, I'm sorry. Chicken soup is sold out today.
What a pity. So I will have a salmon soup, please.
Okay, anything else?
No, that's all. How about delivery? How much do you charge?
It depends on your location. It is free. If you were within 2 kilometers.
Perfect. Get in the car, my boy.
I want to sit next to you, Daddy.
Okay, let me help you open the door.
Thank Dad.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Be careful. Keep your seatbelt on.
I don't like it. It make me uncomfortable.
Mitchell, keep your seatbelt on. Do you know what it is used for?
No, it make me look like an adult.
No way, my boy. It's reduced the risk of being injured.
Really? It's only a small belt.
It may be small, but it is mighty.
Okay, though I don't really believe in it. I'll still listen to you.
Good boy. You know, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. How can I help you?
I would like to have a table for two.
Sure. Have you made a reservation before?
Yeah. I booked my table via your hotline.
Great. Could I have your name?
Thomas Uther.
And the last 3 digits of your phone number, please.
923.
Thank you. Mr. Uther, a table for 2 at 8 p.m.
Yes, that's right.
We're going to prepare a table for you now. Would you like to have a city view or be by the fireplace?
A city view would be perfect.
Sure. Please follow the waiter. He will lead you to your table.
Thank you.
Oh my god. Look who this is.
Hi, long time no see.
Yeah,
It's been almost 5 years. What brought you here?
Because I miss you. How are you doing?
I'm great. How about you? I thought you were still in Tokyo.
I'm fine. I just moved to California this year.
Perfect. Did you settle down here, or are you just traveling?
I'm going to live here a few years. My husband has some work to do here in California.
Great. So we can meet up sometimes.
Absolutely.
I still have our notebook from grade 12.
Really? I'm so surprised.
Yeah, we have many things to talk about.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.